Papunta tayo sa
That's good. Eels mayo special is #1 mayo, Lady's Choice. Made with 100% farm fresh eggs.
Wow! What is this, Kian? Freya? What's that?
tricycle lang pala.
It's a farm. Malapit na.
Nakita ko na yung
Ayun na. Farm. Agri-farm. We're here.
Ayos na ako. Nung umalis ako sa inyo, marami akong narinig.
Magsama na kami kasama ang nanay niya. Hinuli ko muna ang kinitinitita bago ako tumira sa bahay nila. Pinakisamahan ko siya at aminado ko noong una ay hindi ko talaga gusto ang pagsusungit niya sa akin. Pero nakuha ko naman ang tiwala niya, Papa Dudut. Mula noon na kaming dalawa.
Here's our cabin for today. We booked this via Airbnb. Ayan siya, guys. A cabin. And here's our car. Wow! Ganda ng view. It's open. Can you open it? Wow!
Oh my god, it's so hot!
Yeah. Okay, get inside. Come on.
Let's go up here. Yay! It's so comfy!
Wow, it's so comfy.
Oh my... Everyone, I'm hungry. I knew it's something to eat. Mommy! What can I eat?
Moving forward along Sonic Tropics.
Freya, be careful ha, kasi may nadulas. Madulas, it's slippery. going to the river. Meron daw river here. Na merong 101 steps.
I can see the flowers.
Flowers?
Flowers.
Uy, malaglag ka. Hawak.
Hawak lang kay dad.
Tunas ka dyan.
Baka may snake dyan.
Snake dyan.
Be careful.
Dito ako may big snake dito. Lumakad ka nuna eh.
May? Yan. Dragon fruit plantation. It's not ants, anak.
Ants dito. Ayan yung nagpo-focus ng ito. Oh.
It's just a grass, anak.
The grass. So, look, daddy. Oh, oh doon si Daddy. Ayun. Oh.
Where are we? Doon, meron pa doon, oh. Ayun, doon,
Ay,
doon,
may
oh.
swing, oh.
May picture doon, oh, sa swing, oh.
Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh.
Wow.
Ayun, swing, oh.
Yan, meron pa sila ditong ano, ganun. So nice. Bilis, picture. Say hi to the video muna.
Hi, Dinosaur.
Wow, ang lalim. Ayun yung kanilang river. Ayun, malawak pa, oh. Ang laki ng farm nila. Ayan, galing kami doon. And ito yung parang viewing deck. Yun, ayun yung river. There, bababa kami doon.
The tadpole, you want?
Oh, let's go, come on.
Let's go to the...
There's a stairs.
May CR din dito, ayan, oh. Pag gusto mong mag-ihi.
Kung narinig mo ako, kakasabi ko yan.
May CR din dito. Kung gusto mong mag-ihi.
River.
Hanap tayo fish.
River. Wow,
Hanap tayo
river.
fish.
May fish ba dyan? Wala ata dyan fish na. Ayun, o yan o. Wow.
Na ako.
Zoom. Wow.
Ano kayo? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, mommy.
Happy birthday,
Mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, mommy.
Oh, wait, mag-wish lang ako.
Nag-video tayo, ma.
Sa mga gusto ko manggaling. Siyempre sa puso. Nag-a-apologize na ngayon na ang arte-arte mo naman. Ikaw mo nag-a-apologize pero ikaw pang mayabang.
Breakfast na. What's our gonna breakfast? Here's the morning view. Wow. Sunrise. Here's there, malawak na space. Yan ang kanilang parang ano, big event something. Nakita mo yung baka?
Kung nasi sister namin mo, ang binilabas. Ayun na.
In 300 meters, turn left.
Say bye-bye, Delosa Farm.
Bye-bye, Delosa Park.
Bye-bye, river.
Bye-bye, 100 steps river.
Bye, River.
Kapagod ka.
Ulit ka pa ba?